What was that?
I was just giving God praise.
For what?
He's worthy, first and foremost.
But why was you giving God thanks all of a sudden?
We tired of seeing it, Joanna. We tired of seeing the same braid. We tired of seeing the bees. We tired of you acting like you in LA back in the late 90s, early 2000s. We tired of seeing it. So I was giving God praise for that.
I was a little scared taking these braids out because they sure wasn't coming out at first.
I believe it. I believe it.
I
I believe it.
don't remember asking for your backup and your agreement. I was just trying to express myself. These cornrows have been in my hair for about a month now. Clearly everyone's pretty sad that I'm removing them. I don't blame them. I mean, they still look pretty brand new. If you ask me, I really could stretch it for a good another month or so, but I ain't gonna do y'all like that. I ain't gonna shake the city like that. Let's just get the show on the road and get to removing them.
Hey yo, Ren, turn that up.
Folks been trying to be real funny with my hair lately. My whole thing with that is, why is it that somebody could wear their wig for 10 whole years and it ain't even looking like a wig no more? It's looking more like a hat, just a head covering. But don't nobody say nothing to them. But when Lil J Sean wanna wear his braids out and get some new girl, it's an issue. I'm not understanding that one. I'm just not getting it. First thing first, we're gonna remove all the rubber bands. These rubber bands are a little strong. Alright now, joke's over. Come off. I ain't even gonna sit here and act like I expect my hair to come out like crazy curly after this, because I don't have the highest of expectations for this one. This one's definitely on me, guys. We got about all of them out. It's like so thin though, like at the bottom where the, what you call it was at, like the rubber bands and stuff. All right, bro, how do you get this out? Maybe I left them in too long, for real, for real. I don't even want to consider this new growth, these gel braids. And ain't gonna lie with you, I definitely stole my mom's rat tail comb, cause yeah, I wasn't even about to play that game. Mess around, go bald trying to take these braids out, and ain't nobody about to clown me. Oh yeah, that's what I meant to say. Quick little story time. This was bad on my part because like I had to blow dry my hair, and bruh, I left my blow dryer in Atlanta. Like you stick your hair in the thing and then like the machine just, but anyways, I left that in Atlanta, so I had to use a handheld ghetto blow dryer. Won't do those no more, and it's a reason why. Without doubt, if I had blow dried my hair properly, I could have parted it way better. But no complaints. Cause I still like how I did the braids. Gotta be gentle, gotta be a tad bit gentle with this. We got 1, 2, 8 more.
I want to film.
You wanna film?
Yeah.
Film what? I got it on a tripod.
I don't care, it's not working. It's gonna break.
Huh?
What's this? It's gonna break.
I need a break.
It said it's gonna break.
Get your butt out.
I wanna record.
Record for what? Ain't nothing for you to record.
Yes, there is.
Like what?
You.
How?
The back of your head.
I already did that. They already know it's messed up.
You have TikTok, F45, and YouTube. I know you make a lot of money. So let me see your bank account.
Why are you trying to keep track of my funds?
Because I know when you're lying. Where's your wallet?
I don't know. I lost it. Get out of my pocket.
Yeah, I felt it in there.
No, you didn't.
Who in their right mind gonna sit here at a pool for not 1+ hours, but like anything over like 3-4 hours?
My whole thing with that kind of stuff is people who host these pool parties and everything. You have people who never go to the pool, even on a regular day.
I'm trying to tell you.
But now all of a sudden you see someone having a pool party for 3-4 hours. All of a sudden you want to go, and then it be them same guys and girls who just walking around the pool, just holding a cup around their hand, just acting like they doing something, and they know they shouldn't even be there because there ain't nothing to do. And we're finally done. That took long, but it didn't take long at the same time. I can't explain it, but I'm just glad it's finally out. I'd like to assume you want to join me for the rest of my day, so I guess I'll take you along with me. If I gotta see it, you gotta see it too. That thing right there looks too nice. Oh, my dog done pulled up to the gym. He about to get real ghetto in a minute.
I'm glad we're just talking about this, Tim, because I'm being filmed right now, and I want to also talk about the person that's filming me.
Okay, no.
Far from it. Far from it. Why is he hiding?
I hope we can get out of here on time so I can get the crumble cookie before they close.
Jaden, back up from my car.
Let's go.
Jaden, back up from my car. Please don't touch anything that belongs to me.
We barely seen him just now.
Today?
Yeah.
No, honestly, before he left. You think that came
today?
Pass? You don't get that? Like, what's wrong with
Don't waste your time.
Why you got that camera?
Because I'm making a video.
Of what?
I'm vlogging. I can't do that?
Not vlogging. Annoying.
Oh my gosh.
Let's get in the vlog. Smile.
Anyways, guys. So, we're going.
My boy.
It's getting a little weird. It's getting a little weird. Get off me.
Oh, please.
Get off me. Trust me, I don't want you on here like that anyway.
You gotta go put your feet forward.
Please don't show me forward. Show me how to do this. Hey, yo, Jimmy.
Hey, yo, brother, this guy stinks! Ran, turn that up.
I can't record in this club.